be showing you how to build a very easy Lego candy dispenser or gumball dispenser. And this one I made does not take money or anything. You can see in there, no money. But the mechanism for this is just simple. So there's those 2 blocks, or those 3 actually, blocks right there. They're just flat pieces. And those are just this clear one, this red one, and this gray one all together. So that's how I made that part. So you could build this up as big as you want, but I just make it this big. Then you could just put how big the mechanism right here is gonna be. I chose 2 because this one's not supposed to be there. Then this one's supposed to be 4 blocks. And this is all it is. It's 3 blocks high, or 3 flat pieces high. That piece is missing. But anyway, you just need a 3-piece, a 1-piece, 2 4 flat pieces, and then 2 more 1 pieces or 2 pieces or whatever. This is all I did for the bottom part. There's a 3-piece in the center right there. We have it. Now, this has some free space to move around like this. But just so nothing falls out easily. Okay, so this is all I built for my details. That's the under part for it. I just added a window right there so you can see what's going on, see if it's broken, and then you can just snap it on 1 second. Okay, so I snapped it on, it's all good and everything. Now you can see right there, this is the switch that you just made. It's gonna get a little stuck at first, but after a couple of tries, it should work. See, it's right there. See, you can push it forward. Push that forward in there. So you could do it like that, or use the lever, which you push forward too. Anyway, it's fine. It doesn't matter to me. But since the top is missing, a couple of the flat pieces right here and a couple studs right here, so nobody could take it, and that's my roof basically. When you put everything together, it should look something like this. It doesn't have to look like this, but here is how it looks like when it works. Gotta take off this part right here. 1 second. There we go. Took it off. Now refill it and stuff. Where's the? Okay, there it is. See, you got your gumballs or candy in it. Put the cap on. Now the magic comes. See? All of them aren't supposed to fall, but that's just because I kind of rushed and stuff. But I'll see you for part 2, a new mechanism, and this is made 100% by me. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.